YouTube? It's Boomatic back at it with another banger. We're gonna take off the roof off the Bronco for the first time. I'm just gonna do the front and the middle sections, and then I'll have a video where I do the rear and the doors. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell because that makes it count and it means a lot to the channel. Also hit the thumbs up. That also helps me out, helps the channel out. I'm trying to get into that YouTube algorithm. Almost there. So let's do this. Okay, they said this is easy. I'm just gonna kind of wing it. So I'm gonna put the visor down and I'm gonna pull this latch down here that releases this hook. Bam, that's done. This seems like you move this lever here and that unlatches. So number 2, number 3, we move this down. Oh, it has a nice arrow, so follow the arrow. And number 4, right here, we're just gonna move this like this. Bam, has a nice arrow also. So now I believe we can remove this, and I'll put you guys on the stand while I remove it. I'm gonna need 2 hands. So for the passenger side of the roof, you repeat the same thing. Undo this lever. Turn that. Push that in the direction of the arrow. So that's 2. And now 3. These you could take off by yourself. The middle section, I know they recommend having somebody there, like 2 hands, just to make sure you don't scratch. I do see why. But we're gonna take this one off. So now you can see. So it's a cool experience having this off. For the middle section, you have 2 hooks and 3 latches. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the middle part by myself, but I might. I'm not sure yet. So that was the last one. So there's 5 for the middle section, and it is 1 piece, so it's recommended to have 2 people. But maybe with a ladder, I can probably get this whole thing off myself. The front 2 pieces weren't too heavy. You know, just be careful you don't want to scratch anything. Yeah, let's try it out. What's up, YouTube? Taking a drive in the Bronco with the top off. Feels great. Nice day. July 4th, actually. So, yeah. Got the top off. Awesome. Windows down. So I took it on the first drive. Wait, I'm gonna get you guys right here. So I took it on the first drive with it out the top, just down the street. Gonna pick up some stuff from the shop, right? Do my chores. And it felt awesome. You know, nice sunny day. Nice and quiet. You know, it's a smooth ride, even with all the windows down. I gotta do a highway drive. Not today, but I'm gonna do a highway drive where I'm gonna have a camera car follow me and just show how it looks just going down the highway without the doors and the top. I think that'll be a cool video, just so you could see how you would look in your new Bronco. But I love the feeling. Like I never did this before. I do have a PT Cruiser drop top, so it's the same feeling, but it's different because you're high up and it's like, you know, it feels like you're just floating amongst the other cars. Like it's really a nostalgic feeling. I'm not gonna lie. I see why Jeep owners love that, but us Bronco owners can experience that with an even more capable vehicle. I know all of you guys agree if you're watching this video. Definitely amazing, but smooth, man. It's not like a rough ride at all. Got the things for the kids in the back, the boys. And I'm gonna take that back top off, but I'm not gonna chance it. I don't want to damage the car. I mean, I'm strong enough to lift it up by myself and take it off, but that slight chance of me hitting or nicking something will it's not worth it. I learned the hard way. Don't be don't let your ego play, and it's not just because it's heavy. It's just awkward getting off and not touching anything. So definitely front two, you could do it by yourself at any moment. You know, you could be anywhere and put the front two on and off. The middle section, I say I recommend that you have somebody there. I did it by myself, but that was kind of sketchy. I had like a little step ladder, or maybe even with like a chair, standing on a chair, you could grab it, but why risk it, you know? It's not too heavy, but you know, you got to take your time with it. That's pretty much it. So please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell. It means a lot. And hit that thumbs up. The bell and the thumbs up is the only way this channel will survive. So just asking for that help right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna run in and get some things now.